This simple text prompt is supposed to become a fully edited, researched, and scripted video, all done automatically. The big promise of AI is here, building a faceless YouTube channel with zero work. But is that true? For years, YouTube automation felt like a lie, a back-breaking process with a whole team just to get one video out. But now, a new wave of AI video platforms claims to be the real deal, handling the entire creative process. Today, we're testing InVideo AI, an AI agent that promises to manage video creation from a single request. A single YouTube video can swallow days of your life. What if an AI could demolish that barrier? Enter InVideo AI, which claims to research topics, write scripts, generate voiceovers, and edit videos, all from one prompt. I'm using InVideo AI to create a video for a new, faceless YouTube channel on mysterious disappearances in history. I type in the prompt and create a short documentary about the Roanoke colony, the Mary Celeste, and Amelia Earhart. The AI asks clarifying questions, making it feel like I'm briefing a human editor, not just using software. I tell it to aim for a mysterious tone for history buffs. It confirms and gets to work. A few minutes later, the script is done. It's grammatically perfect, but a bit robotic. Time for some human polish. I tweak the script, adding evocative words and rhetorical questions to build suspense. This is the crucial human touch. With the script polished, I choose an AI voice and let it source visuals and edit everything together. I press Generate Video and wait. The hands-on part took about 20 minutes. The render is finished. Is this final video something I could upload? Here is the final 99% AI automated video. The AI-generated video plays. So what's the final verdict? I'm genuinely impressed with the visuals and editing pace, but the zero work promise is a myth. The script needed my touch to be compelling. Can you really build a monetizable channel with no work? The answer is a hard no. But can InVideo AI automate 80 to 90% of the boring work? Yes. This tool changes your job from manual laborer to creative director. You're the architect of your content. In the end, this AI created a solid foundation in a fraction of the time it would take a person. It's not about no work, it's about smart work. These tools are creative partners, handling the grunt work. The era of true YouTube automation is here, accelerating creators, not replacing them. I'm excited to see what you create with tech like this. Try InVideo AI for yourself. Link in the description. What do you think of the final AI video? Is this the future of content creation? Let me know in the comments.